Hi friends, today I will explain the loan taken by the borrower or a customer of the bank or the same loan taken by the internal bank staff. How the calculation will be different, what is the benefit employees are getting because they are working for a bank, so the calculation method will be different from them when compared to the customers or borrowers. So I have taken a small example, 50 lakhs rupees, rate of interest is 12 months and period is 36 months. So I calculated EMI, it is coming as 1,66,072 rupees. So this period is 36 months. So first EMI customer has paid on first month 1,66,000. 50 lakhs is the loan amount. So 12% yearly, 1% monthly, it is interest is 50,000. Then remaining amount is 1,60,000. So 1,16,000 will be deducted from the outstanding. So now outstanding is 48 lakh 83. So second month also he has paid the EMI amount. So first we will calculate interest on the outstanding, then they will remove the interest amount, then remaining amount we will adjust it to the principal so that it will become zero. So if you keep on paying 1,66,072 rupees for 36 months, your loan will become zero. So normally it will be like 5 rupees, 10 rupees plus or minus. So if you customer has paid 1,66,072 rupees for 36 months, your outstanding will be zero. This is for the normal customers or bank borrowers. If same loan as taken by the bank staff, loan amount is 50 lakhs, 12%, 36 months, EMI is 1,66,000. So bank staff has paid first EMI 1,66,000. So in this calculation, we will not remove interest from the EMI. So entire EMI will adjust to the balance. If you see here, it is 4833. If you see here, 4883. So 50,000 more as reduced for the bank staff. So whatever the EMI they are paying, everything they will adjust to the outstanding amount. So that interest they will calculate and they will keep it. So if you come to 30th month, what will happen? Your outstanding is 17,000. So whatever the interest calculated for the 30 months, it is 7,77,000. If we add 7,77,000 with 17,000, it is 7,95,000. So 31st month will not calculate any interest because the principal has become zero and we have added outstanding amount to the interest. So customer has to, the bank staff has to pay only 7,95,000. So first month he has paid as per the schedule 1,66,000. Now outstanding become 629. Next month it is 463. Then because we are not calculating any interest, whatever the EMI we are paying, we are adjusting. So if you come to 35th month, so your outstanding only 1,31,000, but he has paid 1,66,000. So 34 extra he has paid. That amount will be refunded to the bank staff, 34,000. And last, because there is no outstanding, customer staff will not pay last EMI. So what is the benefit he is getting? Last EMI amount 1,66,000 and 35th EMI 34,000. Total is 2 lakhs he is getting as a benefit. So for the 50 lakhs 3 years, so he is getting benefit of 2 lakhs. If you compare and calculate for 5 years, 10 years or 15 years for 1 crore or 70 lakhs, it will be benefit will be lakhs in lakhs. For the small amount, small period, it is 2 lakhs benefit is there. So if you period is increases, then benefit will be more for the loan taken by the bank staff. So always bank staff they will use the benefit of this calculation. They will take the loan and they will use it for the different purposes. It may be house, some education or children's marriage or how construction of the house. So this is the basic difference between a loan taken by the bank customer or borrower and bank loan taken by the bank staff. So this is the calculation for the 50 lakhs, 12%, 36 months. So bank staff getting 2 lakhs benefit. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and please share my channel details with your friends also.